Right, back on with this thing. For some reason, as you can see, that is not lining up properly. That should be clicking there, but it's clicking there. Right, so the little clips that I had, which are these little things, so the little cable clips, hang on, let's get a bit closer to that. Yeah, little cable clips, and they've got backing, pre-form backing. So the idea is to tidy up this mass of wires and try and do something with it, although exactly what. So first thing to do is degrease. So I'm going to use some of this shit. Oh, everything's backwards. That's because I'm using the forward facing camera. I might be able to, in the edit, reverse that back round. I don't know. We'll have to see. So, little bit of degreaser. And good wipe with a cloth. Right, so there's that. Now, take one of these, we'll snap those off there, and then snap that off there. Then take one of these little foam things, which is easier said than done. Ah, there we go. So, first place that I want to put one is there. And it don't stick. Well, that's a fucker. That's a real pain in the arse, is that. Now, I don't know whether that's not sticking because of the degreaser, or whether there's just some sort of non-stick surface on this. Right. May have to get a dab of superglue or something for that. Back. Now, I've got this Loctite superglue pen. So, if I put a little dab of this, right, hang on. First and foremost, I need to get one of these things out again. Ah, there we go. And then got a little Stanley knife here to peel the backing off, and then we shall put that there for a second, see whether we can actually open that up, which I think I just have. Okay, just need to trim off the end a little bit. Right, there we go. A little dab of super glue. You don't need very much. then glue that in place there. Okay, yeah, that's done it. And then we shall take another one of these, or a little dab of super glue on there, and then push that up to there. Right, then, right, I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. We shall peel that sticky off and peel that sticky off. And then we shall, oops, get one of these clips, stick that on there like so, get another one of these clips, and stick it on there like so, push it down well. Then we'll get this cable, push one end under there, the other end under there, and then we shall grab this, shove that in there. Now, yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. Okay, as you can see, right, now we shall put a couple on here, and that should do it. I need to put one across here for that, like so. Yeah. So again, we shall get a tab ready first. Which again is easier said than done. So there's one. Can't let go. Christ almighty. Fucking sticky tabs are a pain in the backside. However, put that right, okay, so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing. There we is. Then we get the sticky tab. Push that on there, and we shall remove another one. Leave it there for a minute. A little bit more glue. Then stick that on there, like so. Then peel off the backing. Like so. On one of these little clips. Put one on there, like so. Make sure it's stuck well on. Then another little clip. After trimming off the edge. So we trim off its little tabs and put the other one directly underneath. And then grab this wire, push under there, lift up that little tab and push the wire under there. Now, this wire is much better. Now, yeah, so that's fine. I'm going to leave that loose. Fuck it. Because then it can be moved and adjusted as need be. But basically, that's it. That's the wires clipped in and tidied up a little bit. Shit. Oh, that's a pisser. Right. Because now I've got to give that a bit more give, because this thing has decided that it doesn't like being there. Right, just to show you what I'm doing. There. I need to leave some of that wire hanging for obvious reasons. Peel off the tab. Let's trim it again. And then stick this on there like so. Pull this down a little bit. Push that up there. And there we go. Which hopefully now means that this, with it being locked in place, yeah, so there's enough wire there to get the dash cam connected and then get it put onto the thing. So that's basically how that works. Right, now I need to add one more little sticky tab. But basically what I've done is that I've just put a little piece on there. Keeps this all nice and stable and keeps everything out the way. I've got a feeling though that I'm going to have to put another one of those little tags over there. Right, so we've got another little tag. We're going to put a little dab of glue on there. Spread it out a little bit with the tip. Grab the little pad. And do that. Now I'm going to keep that in the middle. Right. Right. There we go. So I'll peel off that somehow. Yep. There we go. And then we shall press that onto there, bring this wire back round, lift that up, and there we go. But that's it, you know, wires are all tagged, they are fairly stable. Yeah. Right, and just as a final little piece, that's an USB charging unit, as you can see. These two ports are fucking useless. They do not charge anything, you know, which is why I've had to buy these. These little cigarette lighter thing, these little fitments, as you can see, I've had to cable tie and glue them in because the spring's too strong at the front, so they keep pushing out. That's absolutely fine, there's no issues at all with that. And then, you know, it's movable as well because it's got a little thing that spins on there. So, and it's just plugged into the cig lighter, which seems to be handling everything absolutely fine. Right, anyway, that's it. That's the end of this video.